Here's another integration point. I can, for any pick here, any item that I'm interested in, I can add it to my picks in my database. I can let friends know about it. I can share it. Here, this is a standard Facebook method of sharing. I click here, I'm in the Facebook world, and what you're going to see here is the ability to use Facebook's communications tools and my friends list to share this information. I can send a message to anyone. I can type in any email address here, or several of them. I can also post it to my profile. This is a restaurant. I can say, I had lunch here yesterday. It's going to be on my profile on Facebook where others can see it. This is integration with Facebook. And it was posted to the profile. Now let's take a look. Let's go to the profile and take a look and see what's happened to the profile. And anyone who I have granted access to see my profile will be able to see it. This is how the viral nature of Facebook is developed, one step at a time, to one person's friends at a time, and through them to others. Here's the message. All I had to do was click on the share button and click on that I wanted to post it to the profile rather than sending email. And I didn't have to, but I did type some text in here. So that's another integration point for Facebook. But there's more. Not only was this posted, when I clicked on the share button, this was automatically posted on the news feeds, but there's a link here, and I can click on it and go to that information. Now notice that in the status bar at the bottom, you will see that that link is encoded, but if I click here, what's going to happen is that I'm going to go to, in a new window, to that piece of information. I clicked on the share button while I was looking at it, generated that news feed story, and my friends can see it and now can, just by clicking on it and reading perhaps what I wrote about it, saying this was interesting or I had lunch here yesterday, they can now, with a single click, find out the information. And what's so interesting about this is that Facebook and you are building this infrastructure, all of this that's happening behind the scenes, so that with a single click here on the share button, you can share it with other people, and with a single click in the news feed, you can go to the information. And that's the purpose of these integration points, of being able to have usually one click and a couple of words of text, but simple, very simple, effortless interactions with your friends, sharing the application and sharing the information across the Facebook community. And that's how the integration points work. Every time you add an integration point to your application, you are increasing its value, not just to you, but to all of your application users and to their friends.